Assalamu alaikum. ODM. ODM. Amin. Amin. Alhamdulillah, I take this opportunity to thank the Almighty Allah for giving me this opportunity to stand in front of this guy. Number two, I also want to take this opportunity to thank the people of Kaila World for giving me another chance to serve them as a member of Kaila. That shows the level of trust they had in me. And I assure you, I will never let you down. It was a long and tiresome process, but at last we managed it. I want to thank all the stakeholders headed by the Commission IEBC, who worked closely with all the aspirants, led by the Arab Mr. Siad and his team. They really did a marvelous job. A marvelous job, and we thank you for the service you gave us. I also thank a pillar to this process, the security apparatus. Bwana BCC, the OCPD, Mr. Birir, Mr. Hassan, the subcom, and all the security apparatus for giving us enough security and making sure that the process is free and fair and without any hiccup. Thank you very much. To the people of Wakaile, I have no words to thank you, but today you made me happy. You proved the people wrong. You proved the naysayers wrong. I say thank you once again to my worthy competitors. Kwa mashindano kuna mtu mmoja tu atashinda, sisi wote tutashinda, sio? Nasema, my brothers, I thank you and I want you to work closely with me so that I deliver to the people of Kenya. Hiyo ilikuwa mashindano ya ndugu, hakukuwa na vita ya ukabila, ni mashindano tu, kila mtu alikuwa na sera zake, na watu wa Kenya wakaongea, wakasema Moha anatosha, sio? Basi tunasema watu wawe na amani, na sisi tuanze kufanya kazi ya watu, sio? With those few remarks, it's late, I know people are tired, I don't want to continue much, lakini tutakuwa na hafla yetu ya kusherehekea. Ngamia kadhaa zitachinjwa, and IEBC and the security team. From here now, I'm hosting you as a member of Abakele County Assembly. Karibuni. Next time in 2 weeks, tutawalika mkoa mnasherehekea na sisi kwa hii hafla mzuri. Anasema, to my agents and all my campaign team, you really did a marvelous job. Without your support and without what you did, I could not stand in front of these people and give speeches. I say thank you to my campaign team. Shukran. With those few remarks, I say thank you and God bless us all.